Hello class 6. In our last class in chapter 7 HTML, we learned the features of HTML and we started the HTML tags. What are the tags? Tags are special codes in an HTML document. They are marked by angle brackets. Okay. So we discuss the syntax of the tags and how to use in our HTML program. So these HTML tags are of two types. First one is called container tags. Second one is called empty tags. These two types of tags are there: container tags and empty tags. Now, what are container tags? Tags which require opening and closing commands are called container tag. It has got the open command also and closing command also. Like see HTML, it is opening here and again at last closing with the / sign. So when it opens, this / sign is not there. So this is called opening. And at last again it is closed followed by / sign. So it is called closing. So tags which require opening and closing commands are called container tags. These tags are used in pairs. It starts also and ends also. See, this is start, this is the end. Along with angle brackets. So it is written within the angle brackets, less than and greater than, in an HTML document. They are also known as on tag and off tag. See, in the start one, this is the on tag and this is the off tag. So on tag uses angle brackets, only angle brackets, whereas off tag uses / see, / and HTML after the opening of the angle bracket. What is the format? Format is like for example HTML tag. So write HTML within the angular bracket, then write the body and again close the HTML document. So starting one is called on tag and this is called off tag. Second types of tags are empty tags. What are the empty tags? Tags which do not require a closing tag. Like it is not having closing like container tag. In an HTML document are called empty tags. An empty tag has only the on tag in the document which is understood by the web browser like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer. So it is understood by the web browser. For example, beer tag is used to leave a blank line between two paragraphs and does not require a closing tag. What is the format? Suppose HTML document we are going to start. We have typed here information technology and BR, so it will give a blank line. Again after ARIA Publishing Company, again it will give a blank line. Okay, so these are the container tags and empty tags. Now next one is head tag. The heading of the document is written in this portion. So after HTML we write the head. The head tag includes another tag called title. So first HTML we write, then we write the head, and head has got one more tag that is called the title of the document. A title tag is also a container tag. This also is a container tag because it has got on also and off also. See, HTML on, HTML off, head on, head off, title on, title off. So all these are container tag. A title tag is also a container tag. What is the format? HTML on, head on, title is Don Bosco Academy class 6, title closed, head closed, HTML. So this is format of a HTML document. Okay. Next is the body tag, and the body is the actual text, the actual document what is going to be printed on the screen, on the web page. That is the body. So the body tag is the actual text of an HTML document which appears on the web page. So whatever you write under the body, that will be displayed on the web page. The body tag starts just below the head after closing the head. See, first we open the HTML, then you open the head, then you open the title, type the title, Don Bosco Academy class 6, close the title, then close the head, and after closing the head, the body will open. Okay, so suppose the body is Book Understanding Information Technology class 6. Book name is Understanding Information Technology class 6. This you want to print on the web page. Then close the body, close the HTML. Alright, now let me show you the same program in the notepad. Already I have typed in the notepad. Open standard 6anb.html. Open. See, this is the program. HTML open, head open, title is Don Bosco Academy class 6, title close, head close, body is book understanding information technology. So this line will be printed till class 6. Then body is closed, HTML is closed. Now let us go to document and search for this document. See, standard 6A and B. Do the right click and open with Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox or Internet Explorer. These three are the web browser. To click on the Firefox and see the output comes book understanding information technology class 6. Again, we can open it with Google Chrome also. Right click, open with Google Chrome. See, the result came book understanding information technology. So this is the so what was there inside the body, that is printed. Okay. So in today's class we have learned about two types of tags of HTML, and we have learned how to write the head, how to write the title, and how to write the body. So please learn all these definition and practice. Thank you.